The Cordless Pruner EP-1.6-inch LCD is an impressive tool that simplifies gardening tasks with its intuitive LCD display showing real-time battery levels and cut count. Its powerful cutting capacity, reaching up to 1.6 inches, ensures clean and precise pruning for both small and large branches, thanks to the high-quality SK5 blade material. The 550-watt brushless motor provides exceptional efficiency, allowing the pruner to tackle even the toughest branches with over 1,500 cuts per charge. Dual high-capacity 2,000 milliampere-hour batteries offer up to 4 hours of continuous use, and the quick charging time of 1 to 2 hours keeps you ready for any gardening project. The enhanced smart trigger and sleep mode features allow for instant activation and power conservation, making the pruner both efficient and easy to use. This comprehensive gardening tool set includes everything you need, from an extra blade to a portable storage box, making it perfect for both personal use and as a thoughtful gift.